HVAC, duct installation, is an important engineering activity to ensure the proper operation of the HVAC system. Before installation, a detailed installation plan needs to be developed. According to the architectural drawings and the design requirements of the HVAC system, and determine the direction, size and material of the air duct. Prepare the required air duct materials, including but not limited to galvanized steel, stainless steel, aluminum, etc. And ensure that all accessories are complete, such as flange, elbow, T, reducer, etc. After the preparation work is completed, install the air duct according to the position shown in the design diagram. Use appropriate connection methods, such as bolting, welding, etc., to connect each part of the air duct. Make sure all connections are well sealed to prevent air leaks. After installation, check and maintain the air duct system periodically. Clean the dust and impurities inside the air duct and replace the damaged part.